Hi, I'm Justin, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Visitor Insights Report. The Visitor Insights Report isn't just about measuring performance. It helps you understand how your business fits into the broader market. It gives you insights into what your competitors are doing and helps you decode what your potential customers are really looking for. It's competitive intelligence that helps you shape your business strategy and tactics. Visitor Insights is available to Trustpilot customers on the Enterprise plan. Let's navigate to the Visitor Insights Report and orient ourselves. I'm going to navigate to Analytics, Visitors, and Visitor Insights. The first thing to note is that you're looking at data for the last 6 months. You can choose to view data from the last month, the last 3 months, or the last 6 months by using the date picker here in the top right. Each view has a different purpose. Use the 1-month view for quick checks, like spotting short-term changes in visitor behavior or measuring the impact of a new campaign. The 3-month view helps you see broader patterns. This is useful for aligning with quarterly business goals or reporting. The 6-month view gives you a strategic perspective. Use it to track long-term trends and inform planning for upcoming seasons or product launches. A best practice is to check the 1-month view regularly, then review the 3 and the 6-month views when you're setting strategy or presenting results to your team. By using the date filters this way, you connect Visitor Insights directly to your business planning cycle. At the top of the report is the Quick Facts section. This section provides a top-level snapshot of the traffic to your profile page and what people do on your profile page. It includes traditional website metrics like total visitors, time on page, geographic data, and traffic source data. It also has some really interesting data that is specific to your profile page, like reviews read. Here we can see that on average there were 6.7 reviews read. These metrics are most useful when you compare them to what you expect, and that expectation should be shaped by your business strategy. For example, if you heavily promote your Trustpilot profile page, then you expect traffic and engagement to be high. If traffic levels are low, you might want to investigate why they're low. Did you change your strategy or tactics? Perhaps a competitor is putting more effort into their Trustpilot page. If you don't have an expectation for these metrics, you can use historical data to better understand trends in your data. Over time, you will grow to understand the natural rhythm of traffic and engagement on your profile page and how your decisions impact that rhythm. The demographic index helps you understand information about who is visiting your profile. It includes information about the traffic sources, the devices used to access your page, and the countries and cities where your visitors are located. But the demographic index report is more than a report about your performance. It also contains 2 types of competitive data, market data and primary category data. With these comparisons, you can see where you lead or lag your industry and competitors in visibility and engagement. These insights help you refine your marketing, strengthen your reputation, and ultimately capture more customer attention. The market view lets you compare your performance to your overall industry. Trustpilot creates this view using data and artificial intelligence. Your market is composed of companies that are similar to yours based on your content, categories, geography, and company size. You can see how many companies are in your market at the bottom of the report. Let's look at an example of how you might use this data. Here, I can see that I get about 96% of my traffic from Google search, and the market gets about 97%, so about the same. But if I change the metric to social media traffic, I see a different story. Here, Facebook accounts for about 71% of my traffic, but only about 59% for the market's traffic. If I dig deeper, I can see that the market gets about 6% of their traffic from LinkedIn, but I don't get any traffic from LinkedIn. That might be fine if I'm putting all of my effort into Facebook. But if I expect to get some traffic from LinkedIn, then I need to revisit that effort. Again, this is more context for you as you measure your performance and develop a strategy and tactics to grow. The primary category view is similar to the market view. It contains the same metrics and compares your data to the data from other companies. The difference is that the primary category view compares your business to the other businesses in the category you selected in your Trustpilot profile. You can see your primary category and how many businesses are in the primary category at the bottom of the report. The engagement index is all about what people do when they visit your Trustpilot profile page. I really like this data because it provides detailed insights into what's important to your customers and potential customers. Let's take a look at what we have. Here I can see the reviews seen per visit along with the average session time, and I can use these two metrics to better understand engagement. Are people spending time on the page? And if they are, how much content are they consuming, especially the reviews? I can also use this filter view metric to see that about 10% are using the filters, and most of that use is actually 1-star reviews. So I can tell that most of the people visiting the page are really looking for the critical feedback that people are providing about my information. I can also look at other metrics like website click-throughs to see how many people are visiting my site from my profile page. This information should guide how you design and build your profile page. For example, if the click-through is low, even with high engagement, it might be time to test different messaging on your page or time to make customizations. Or if the click-through is low and you see that users are viewing your 1-star reviews, it might be time to change how you respond to those reviews. The engagement index also has both market and primary category views to give you more context on how you compare to companies like yours. The interest section shows what else your visitors are looking at on Trustpilot. You can see which businesses and categories people explore in addition to your profile. This helps you understand people's preferences and broader journey. For example, imagine you're an apartment rental company. You open the interest section to see what else your visitors are exploring. I'm going to click Home and Garden here, and you'll notice many people are also looking at furniture stores, internet providers, and moving services. That tells you your visitors aren't just browsing apartments, they're preparing for a full move. You can use this insight to shape your business strategy. For example, you might partner with furniture companies or offer discounts on moving services. Or you could design marketing campaigns that highlight a ready-to-move type of experience. By tapping into these interests, you're aligning with the bigger journey that your customers are on. This is how the interest section helps you connect the dots between your customers, their wider interests, and your opportunities. Visitor Insights is more than a way to analyze the performance of your profile page. It's a powerful way to understand your competition and ultimately a way for you to develop new strategies to grow your business. If you're on the enterprise plan, log into your account to start exploring. And if you need more help, check out the Help Center for step-by-step guidance.